Welcome to Yester Quickies, a speedy culinary trip back in time. Today we're traveling to 1977 to discover onion rice. Oh, you're gonna love it. Let's get started. Hey everyone, I'm Jill and this is Yester Kitchen. Got another quickie for you. So today we are going to 1977. And I love these contribution books. You're going to be seeing a little bit more of these. There's, whatever charity or school or group, everyone comes together and creates a cookbook. And this 1977 gem is our favorite recipes. And that's from the Women of Unity Church, Santa Ana, California. I pick up these books everywhere. I'm not sure where I got this. But today we're going to thank Dorothy Wynn for her amazing recipe for onion rice. You are going to love this recipe. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a half a cube or a quarter cup of butter, and into a frying pan it goes. And we're just going to take a minute and let this melt. Okay, so we're almost done melting. I just love celebrating home cooks of the past, and I think we're going to do more of these because these recipes are amazing. All right, so here we go. Our butter is all melted. And I am going to add 1 cup of just raw white rice. And we're going to stir this around for a little bit because you want to toast the rice. But I have to show you something. This is absolutely fabulous. So we're not only toasting the rice, but I'm going to show you right from the book that here is what Dorothy recommends that the rice looks like. Where are we? Brown rice in butter until it is the color of a nice camel's hair coat. Does food history get any better than that? I just love this. Okay, so we're gonna, I love diving into the past, especially diving into people's homes of the past. That just makes me so happy. Okay, so we're gonna stir this around until we get that camel's hair coat color. I've never had a camel's hair coat, but I have seen camels. So here we go. We've got, it's like a nice toasty beige color, and look at all that rice. It looks absolutely fabulous. By the way, I bought this cookbook. I was going through an antique store and I came across this recipe and bought the book just based on this recipe because the wording was so fabulous. I found so many other great recipes in the book that you'll be seeing them. Okay, so now that we have our rice, the color of a nice camel, not just a camel hair coat, but a nice one going, we're going to add our spices, which is 1 package of onion soup mix. And then we're going to add 1 can of consomme, which is like a deep beef broth. You can also use beef broth. You can also use beef stock. You can also use bouillon. But Dorothy said consomme, and that's what we're using. And then we're going to add 1 soup can of water. Meanwhile, I have my oven set at 350. So I'm going to go ahead and stir this for a minute, and we're going to get it in a casserole, and I will be right back. Okay, so I have got a greased or buttered, whatever you like, about a quart and a half casserole. And so here we go. In goes, whoop, I am knocking my martini. That's not good. In goes all of our rice and our onion soup and our consomme. I'm going to make sure every last little grain of rice gets in there. And it's going to finish off in the oven. There we go. It's going to finish off in a 350 oven for anywhere between 30 and 45 minutes. Just start checking it after 30. You know, every oven varies and your rice varies. So just make sure it's cooked through, and we will be back when that happens. Okay, out of the oven, and look at that beautiful golden brown. Mine took about 35 minutes until all the liquid was completely absorbed. But all you need to do is taste it. You'll know if the rice needs to absorb more water or not. If it's still crunchy, unless you like it like that, then stop. Or keep going until it's nice and soft. Anyway, this onion rice is just, oh, perfect. Thank you, Dorothy. So we're just going to serve just so you can see this beautiful, beautiful onion color and our camel's hair coat. You really want to try this. This is great side dish for any dinner, and as you can see, it comes together so easy. Thanks for stopping by. It's always such an honor to have you join me. Enjoy eating the past. I'll see you in the next video.